Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Sophie's BioWebs. Today, in this particular video, I am going to discuss about abiotic vectors. In the earlier video, I have already discussed about the abiotic vectors. There are four types of abiotic vectors. Number one is temperature, second one is water, third one is light and soil. These are the four abiotic vectors are discussed here in this chapter. I have already discussed about temperature in the earlier video. In this particular video, I am going to discuss about abiotic vectors like water. This one is second. Number two, abiotic vector. Water is also an important abiotic vector. Without water, no living being can survive on this earth. Whatever it may be a teeny bacteria or large sized of living being. It may be animal being or plant being. Whatever it may be, all living beings have to require water. In case of plant being, water is required as raw materials during the process of photosynthesis. Raw materials during the process of photosynthesis. In the process of photosynthesis, what is photosynthesis? It is a mechanism of production of food in case of plant being, where water, carbon dioxide and sunlight is required. The water is essential for the process of photosynthesis. Without water, no photosynthesis could be happened. Moreover, water is also required during the process of transportation of food materials in case of plant being, and absorption of minerals also. Various kinds of minerals are absorbed by plant being with the help of water. So, it is very essential for both for plant being and animal being also. In case of human being also, in the process of digestion, in the process of metabolic activity, water is very essential. Without water, no life can survive, no living being can survive. On the basis of salinity, water is of three types. On the basis of salinity. What is salinity? Salinity means the concentration of salt in water. It is known as salinity. On the basis of salinity, water is of three types. Number one is inland water. Which is also known as fresh water. Here, in this inland water, salinity is 5%, approx 5%. Another one is sea or ocean water, which is also known as marine water. Here in this water, concentration of salt is 30 to 35%. Then another one is hypersaline lagoon. Saline lagoon. Here in this type of water, salinity of water is 100%. Concentration of water is 100%. Here on all these type of water, all these three types of water, the animal beings are different kinds of animal beings are found. On the basis of salinity, animal beings are of two types. On the basis of salinity, animal beings are of two types. Number one is euryhaline. Euryhaline. Euryhaline, the organism which can survive in wide range of temperature, wide range of salinity, wide range of salinity. Wide range of salinity. This type of animal being or organism is known as euryhaline organism. For example, salmon. For example, salmon fish. For example, salmon fish. Salmon fish. This one is euryhaline. This can survive in wide range of salinity. That means it can survive in low salinity of water and in wide range of salinity of water. It can comes to the fresh water, that means river, during egg laying period, and come back to the saline water, that means ocean or sea, after egg laying. So this type of animal or organism is known as euryhaline. On the other hand, there is another type of organism or living being which can survive in low range or narrow range of salinity. These are known as stenohaline. Stenohaline. It can survive in narrow range of salinity. They can survive in narrow range of salinity water. For example, goldfish. Shark. These are the example of stenohaline organism. Please do not confuse in eurythermal and stenothermal. These are stenothermal and eurythermal. These are related to temperature. And euryhaline and stenohaline, these are related to salinity. Steno means narrow. And haline means salinity. Here it means narrow, and haline means salinity. Here eury means wide and haline means salinity. So on the basis of salinity, animal beings or organisms are of two types. Number one is euryhaline, another one is stenohaline. The organism which can survive in wide range of salinity of water, that means they can survive in high range of salinity of water. They can survive in also in low range of salinity of water, such as salmon fish. And stenohaline, these are able to survive in specific range of salinity. Beyond this range of salinity, they can't survive. So this type of organism is known as stenohaline. Example of stenohaline organism is goldfish, shark. These are the example. So thank you for watching.